Hello, my name's Guy, and in this video I'm going to take you through the Actions tab on the Boom SEO platform. First of all, we're going to take a look at all of the actions that the platform has gathered together from your website. All these actions are here to further optimize and improve your SEO. They're what we suggest you do in order to improve it. From platform actions to connecting your Google Search Console account, to specific tasks that we want you to complete on specific pages on your website, to local SEO actions. Now let's start by looking at the Inspect button here. If you click it, it shows you an overview of everything on your website in text to make it easier to understand everything that you have on your website, from crawl data to actions to keywords to backlinks and your reporting. The next button is hide all actions for this page. Now what this will do is hide all of the actions just for this specific page of your website. So all of these will disappear. I wouldn't recommend doing that because it's always good to complete all of the actions that are suggested to you, because these are all going to improve your SEO performance. And the next button is to complete them all. If you have completed them all, then this is the button you would click. If you need to order some of these actions or all of these actions for this specific page, you would click this button and it will take you here, and automatically it'll select all of the tasks for this page and it'll allow you to click order. Now I'll come back to this shortly, but we're going to take a look at the Content Wizard button. When you click this and you click Standard, Enthusiastic or Professional and then click Run Content Wizard, what will happen is gather a page title for you, the meta description for the page, and a H1 heading. And it'll do this by looking at all of the 3 keywords that you chose for this page. It'll give you 3 options based on those 3 keywords. So option 2 and then option 3, and they differ between them, and these are what you should go by to improve the SEO of that specific page. Now let's take a look at one of the actual tasks and what that includes. So when you click on one of the tasks, it shows you what you need to do. It'll give you a step-by-step guide on what it is that we're asking of you to do. It'll tell you why it's important if you click the button here, and it'll also tell you how to do the task. It'll even give you a link to a step-by-step guide on how to do this. You can click hide action from within the task. You can click order action or complete action. When you click complete action, the SEO tool will look through your website and double check to see if you've actually completed the task correctly. If you haven't, it will tell you otherwise, and it will tell you to have another look and check through it again, and then you'll click complete action and let's say you did do it correctly. It will tell you that you've done it correctly, and then you can move on to the next task. Now looking at the bottom of the page, you can see there's a green button called Need Help Completing Your Actions. If you click this, it'll take you to this page. Now similar to what I've already shown you previously, where you can order the actions for one specific page, you can actually order the actions for every action that you have, from on-site actions to keyword actions and content actions. Now what you need to do is make sure that all of the ones that you select add up to at least an hour's worth of work, and once you've got all of the tasks that you want, click place order and you'll be presented with this screen. Now this first one is called the one-off, and basically what this means is the price will differ based on how many you've selected. You'll be paying for us to complete all of the tasks that you've selected for a one-off payment. Our team will complete 2 hours worth of work based on the most important SEO actions that you have within that month. Or you can go for the 4-hour monthly SEO package, which is £170 per month, where we will take 4 hours each month to complete the SEO actions that you have on your website for that month. That's all for the action page. Thank you for watching.